Today let's learn about an average. What do you mean by average? That I will show you by one example. Now let's imagine that Abhinav's 5 science test marks are 78, 60, 73, 89 and 90. Now you have to find out his average mark. For that, first of all, we have to do 2 steps. In the first steps, what you will do? You have to sum of marks you have to do first of all. Now we'll start 78 plus 60 plus 73 plus 89 plus 90. Now let's do the addition of this. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 carry. Now 2 carry and 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 26 plus 6 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. Now this is his sum of all the marks. Now in the second step, number of tests. How many tests he has given? 5 tests. Now we are having a formula for the average. To find out the average, first of all, average is equal to sum of marks divided by number of tests. So 390 divided by 5. Now let's divide this. That means 390 divided by 5. 7 5s are 35 and 5 8s are 40. So the average marks he obtained in the science is 78. 78 is nothing but the average of science 5 test marks. From this, we come to know to find the average of the quantities in a group. We have to do 2 steps. Number 1, we have to add all the quantities. Number 2, divide the sum of by its number of quantities. We will get the average. Let's see one more example how to find out the average of this set of numbers. Now first of all, what you have to do? We have to add this addend divided by the number of numbers. So we will use the formula of average. Now here set of numbers are given, so we will write here sum of numbers and divided by number of numbers. How many numbers are given? So number of numbers. Okay student, now first of all we will sum of numbers means all the addend we have to write here. Then how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4. 4. Now we'll add it. Now 8 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So sum of number is 280 and divided by 4. 280 divided by 4. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28. Zeros are 0. Now so the average of this set of number is 70. Now let's take the average of these numbers. Now here again the sets of numbers are given. Now we will use the formula of average. That means sum of numbers and divided by its number of numbers. Now sum of numbers, for that you have to take all the addend and you have to add it. See, if your number of, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Student, if you are finding it difficult to add like this, you can take it vertically also. 10 plus 14 plus 22 plus 6 plus 18. Now we will add it. 8 plus 6 is 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 carry. 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means the sum of number is 70 divided by 5. So divided by 5 ones are 5. 2 left, or you can do it one side also, no problem. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. So the average of the set of number is 14. Now let's take the average of this number of sets. Now average, write the formula of average. Average is equal to number of sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. Okay students, now we will add all the given numbers. 100 plus 95 plus 97 plus 98 plus 90. Now divided by how many times? The numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So now we will add it one side. 100, 95, 97, 98 and 90. Now we will add it. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 2 carry. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 9 is 27, plus 9 is 36, 36 plus 2 is 38, 3 carry, 3 plus 1 is. Now the sum of the number is 480 divided by 5. Now 480 divided by 5, 5 nines are 45, okay, and 5 eights are 40. So the average of this set of number is 98. Now let's find the average of given rupees. Now rupees are given, rupees 37, rupees 52, rupees 31 and rupees 40. Now we have to find out the average of the given rupees. For that, what you have to do? Sum of rupees divided by the number of rupees. Now we will write the formula for the average. Average is equal to sum of rupees divided by number of rupees. Now rupees 37 will add all the rupees. Rupees 52, rupees 31 and rupees 40. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by the number of rupees 4. Now we'll add it one side. 52, 31 and 40. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So sum of the rupees is rupees 160 divided by 4. Now we will, if you divided it by 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 60 and zeros are 0. So rupees 40 is the average of rupees. Now let's find the average of the given centimeters. Now what is given? Sets of numbers which is given in the centimeters. Now 34 centimeters, 24 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 22 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now you have to find out the average of this centimeter. For that, number of sum of centimeters divided by number of centimeters. Now first of all we will write the formula for the average. Now average is equal to sum of We are doing the sum of centimeters, so we will write the what the quantity is given. It is given in the centimeter. So we will write the sum of centimeters divided by number of centimeters. Now write all the centimeters and add it. 34, then 24 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 22 centimeter plus 10 centimeter divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 34, 24, 30, 22, 10. That will be 8, 9, 10, 1 carry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sum of the centimeters is 120 centimeter divided by 5. Now 120, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 20. So the average of the centimeter is 24 centimeter. Now we'll find the average of the first 9 counting numbers. What are the first 9 counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. For that, we'll use the formula of average. Average is equal to sum of counting numbers divided by number of counting numbers. I will write all the counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we divided by 9 because 9 counting numbers are given here. So we'll do the addition of this. 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 7 is 17 plus 7. 24 plus 6 is 24 plus 6 is 30 plus 5 is 35, 39, 39, 42, 42, 44 and 45. So the sum of the counting numbers is 45 and divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45. So the average of the counting number is 5. Now let's see the solution for this example. The number of students in 6 sections of class in Vidya School are 43, 46, 40, 43, 44 and 42. Find the average number of student per class. Now you have to find out the average of the student per class. Now for that we have to write the formula for average. So average is equal to sum of the students divided by number of sections. Now 43 plus 46 plus 40 plus 43, 44 plus 42. Now there are 6 sections, so divided by 6. Now let's start doing the addition. You can make it one side also, or you can make it in the mind. 2 plus 4 is 6, 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1 carry, 1 carry. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12, 4, 16, 16, 20, 24 and 25. Divided by 6. Now we'll divide it one side. 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18. So the average is